Oh, hell yeah. Got anything done to it?
No, I just got it. It's kind of dirty right now. Don't mind that.
Is that the 10-speed?
It's actually an automatic. Not 10-speed. It's 5.0.
Yeah. I heard it. It sounds like you got stuff done to it.
Yeah, it does sound like it. Honestly, I feel like they had to like tune it before me or something. Like they had to do something.
Yeah, it sounds like something's done to it for sure.
Right?
I don't know. It'd be kind of cool to see what we can do right here. Might be safe, but that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, guys. We got a 10-speed here. Looks like.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you?
I'm not from Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Still the Midwest.
Yeah. I had a V6 before this. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, a little upgrade. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. I think I kind of got you off guard there.
Yeah, you did. I don't know what we were doing.
Dude, that's the thing with having like a quick car. It's like all the traffic.
Yeah, I know, and it's horrible.
I know. Let's just do a little pull. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Dude, that thing sounds so freaking beautiful. Okay, one more time. All right, hold on. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. That thing sounded pretty sick, guys. That definitely just burned like a freaking quarter tank coming over here. And here's the thing, I could have beat it so much worse. So on the interstate, dude, it was just too much traffic. We were playing around, but like she was pulling on me top end a little bit, but we didn't really race. I mean, but she did start it all. She punched it. And dude, I mean, I had it floored, but I was behind her. I mean, she was getting it. Here's the thing though, I don't have any E30 in here right now. I'm running 93, so this is my new thing I'm doing. Before I go to the dealership, dude, put my stuff in like map 1, just so everything runs good with the MBRP. I run 93 always, no matter what. I mean, I would never drive this car with anything less, but I run 91, or I run 93 in it. I'm just doing like map 1, map 2. I'm just really taking it easy because all those numbers in the computer of the boost and torque and everything being adjusted, the dealers have cracked down, guys. They're not stupid. They know what these cars are and they can look into it if you take your JB4 off or not. Trust me, watch my Kia Stinger versus dealership video and find out worst case scenario. They didn't want to work on my car because I had an MBRP and a freaking carbon fiber spoiler. Like, come on, dude, really? I mean, that dude was just being a dick, but I got to remove all this stuff. I got to remove the JB4. I got to get this thing ready for import face-off, guys. I got to get the oil changed with the Mobil 1 full synthetic 530. I park over here. Going to my fiance's, I forget what they call this in Ecuador. It's like their Easter celebration. Baby, I'm sorry, I forget the name. A sick car, dude. Like, that's awesome, man. I like to see females getting into the car game, dude. You know what I mean? Like, I think that's really cool. Shout out to KDM Kate, Lone Star Stinger. They got some awesome builds. You know, I have a daughter, so I think that it's absolutely awesome. And I teach her that she can do anything, you know what I mean, that she puts her mind to. She's very, very smart. And she's starting to like cars now, so that's sick. We need some more subscribers, guys. I need some help with some side income so we can help get my daughter a sick pink Barbie Jeep. Subject to change. Those roll kind of easy. I don't know. I have ADD so bad, guys. Sometimes it's just kind of hard to do these videos on the fly like this, but we got more content coming, TCU coming, but most importantly, guys, we got to get these videos out. I just made a video with the Sundown SA12s. Tuned at 32 hertz, such a sick video. Those things will destroy this car. So if you're worried about rattles, I started the video off kind of trolling, like complaining about interior rattles, and then I show the flexing of everything. But you know, it is what it is. I sold them. Sold them for $450. I lost about 200 bucks. Gonna take the $450 and go buy some Apple stock because I know it's gonna go up, and that way I can get my money back that I lost. And I just had fun with them for a year for free, basically, right? That's the way I think about things. Never think of anything as a loss. Always look for opportunities to gain. Always. There's always an opportunity. You network with people like me, like other people in this industry. Guys, there's a lot of very intelligent people out there with a ton of info that are willing to help you. You just have to network with them. You always want to provide value. That's why I started this YouTube channel, is to provide value. Of course, there's already a ton of spark plug video changes or air intake video install videos. Who cares? If Pepsi thought like that, like, oh, Coca-Cola already has a soft drink out, we're not gonna do it. They wouldn't be where they're at today. There's countless other companies that way, guys. We need more. We need more Kia Stinger content. We need more people. I will help you if you show dedication and hard work, and you have, you know, good information you're putting out there. That's very important. And you're trying, I will help promote you. I will shout you guys out. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, guys. I get so busy and have ADD. I know I made a post. I'm going to do some shout outs, and that's well deserved right now. I got to do some shout outs. There's a lot of people that have been sticking around since day one, and I'm very grateful for you guys. You've been buying the merch when I dropped it. I think I sold like 50 t-shirts, man, and a few hoodies that time. Thank you guys so much. All that money has gone into this channel, 100% of it, just so you know. And a new merch line's coming out that's even sicker, so wait for that. But I'm gonna hop off here. I'm already late, and God bless. Stay safe. We're gonna do a little POV drive action in true manual mode. Yes, true manual mode.